Hello everyone, welcome back to our Power BI channel. Here we are covering DAX functions in this series. In the previous tutorials guys, we have studied some math and trig DAX functions. And now in today's class, we will also learn more about some math and trig DAX functions. And this is the last part guys of this math and trig DAX category. And from next class guys, we will learn some more about new category of DAX functions. So let's start the class guys without wasting time. And these are the topics which we are going to cover in today's class. So let's start with this round DAX function. So let's go to reference page and understand the definition first. It rounds a number to the specified number of digits. And here we have just only two parameters, number and number of digits. With the help of this round function guys, we can round the decimal places. So let's go to the Power BI desktop and go to data view. So I will go here in new calculate column. And let me rename this as round. And now I will write my DAX function which is round. And let's suppose in number parameter guys, I will take this integer column which is from the budget to table, comma, and the next parameter is number of digit. That means how many digits you want after decimal. So I want only 2 digits. So I will enter 2 here and close the bracket and hit enter. So here we can see guys, this 4 digits convert into 2 digit. 2667 becomes 27. 7854 becomes 79. And 243 becomes 24. So in this way guys, we can use this round function. And if I enter 3 here, 2667 become 267. 7854 become 785. So in this way guys, we can use this round function. And now let's understand the next DAX function of our today's class, which is round up. So let's go to the reference page and understand the definition first. It rounds a number up away from 0. That means it rounds the number towards upside. So let's go to Power BI desktop and apply this round up DAX function. So I will take new calculated column from here. And let me rename this as round up. And now I will use my DAX function which is round up. So I will take this integer column as a number here, comma, and the next parameter is number of digit. So let's say this time I will take only 1 and close the bracket and hit enter. So here we can see guys, our new column has added with rounded figure. It rounds the number towards upside. 2667 becomes 3. 7854 become 8. 243 become 3. So guys, if you want to see such kind of calculation, you can use this round up function. And now let's understand round down, which is totally reverse to the round up. So let's understand the definition first, then we will see practical. So it rounds a number down towards 0. And here we have just only two parameters, number and number digits. So let's go to Power BI desktop and go to data view. And now I will go here in new calculated column. And this time my column name is round down. And now I will use my DAX function which is round down. And again I will take this integer column which is from budget to table, comma, and the next parameter is number of digit. So here I will also take 1 and close the bracket and hit enter. So here we guys can see this time rounds the decimal values towards downside. 2667 become 2. 7854 becomes 7. I hope guys now you are clear with the difference of round, round up and round down. And now let's understand the next DAX function of our today's class, which is SQRT, which stands for square root. So I hope guys you have definitely studied in your school days. So let's go to the reference page and understand the definition first. It returns the square root of a number. So let's suppose if we have a 25, so the square root of 25 is 5. If we have a number 36, so the square root of 36 is 6. And here you can also see the example. They have taken 25. So let's go to Power BI desktop and go to data view. And from here guys, I will take new calculated column from here. And this time I will rename this as square root. And now I will enter my DAX formula which is SQRT. And the parameter is let's say 36. and close the bracket and hit enter. So in this way guys, you can also calculate square root of any number. I hope guys now you are clear with this square root DAX function. And now let's move towards the next DAX function of our today's class. So the next function is square root pi, which is sqrt_pi. So let's understand the definition first and then we will apply this DAX function. So it returns the square root of number pi. And here we have just only one parameter, which is number. Let me scroll it down. So here we can see guys, square root of pi 2 is 2.506628. So let's try with this same example. So go here in Power BI desktop and let's apply this same DAX function. So simply go here in new calculated column and let me rename this as sqrt_pi. And now I will apply my DAX function, which is square t pi. And let's suppose this time I will take number 2 and close the bracket and hit enter. So here we can see guys, our answer is 2.5066 something. So in this way guys, you can calculate square root pi. And now let's move towards the last DAX function of our today's class, which is trunc. So guys, we have lots of DAX function of calculating the decimal places. And now let's understand this trunc DAX function. So let's go to reference page and understand the definition first. Trunc stands for truncates. It truncates a number to an integer by removing the decimal or fractional part of the number. And we have just only two parameters, number and number of digits. So let's go to Power BI desktop and apply this same DAX function. So go here in new column and now let me rename this as truncate. And now I will use my DAX function, which is trunc. So under number parameter guys, I am taking this integer column, which is from the budget 2 table, comma, and let's say my number of digit is 2 and close the bracket and hit enter. So here we can see guys, it is taking only 2 digits, although we have 4 digits. And if I change this number 2 to 1, so here we can see guys, it returning 1 digit after decimal places. So in this way guys, you can use this truncate DAX function. I hope guys, now you have cleared with all the DAX function of today's class. So do more practice and explore more about yourself. And stay connected with us and kindly support this channel. And if anyone wants to learn free Power BI from scratch, so here we have this free YouTube channel guys, which name is Power BI Full Course by Shubham. And under this 50 tutorials guys, I have explained each and every concept in detail. And those who are visit first time on this channel, please kindly hit the like and subscribe button. And don't forget to press this bell icon guys, else you will definitely miss the update. And for jobs opening guys, we have this separate Telegram group where I am keep posting latest Power BI jobs opening. And you will also find some latest interview updates and some scenario based questions. So you don't need to pay anything to anyone for jobs and training support. But if you still require paid training guys, so guys, I am also providing paid one-on-one sessions, where from day 1 guys, I will prepare you for interviews round. And you guys can simply connect me on LinkedIn or Telegram channel. Both the links are given under the description box. You guys can follow me there. And for free learners guys, we have this YouTube channel. So keep learning and keep growing. Thank you so much guys for your more love and support. And from next class guys, we will study next category of DAX functions. Thank you so much.